Welcome back, guys. This is a place that you have found me in countless times before, the wheel well of the Ford Edge. Today I'm just shooting a little bit of content to just clarify some questions because I keep getting reoccurring questions about this passenger side CV axle, and it's kind of a bear to get to and a little different than the driver side. The driver side's much easier, and you can actually pull that one off a whole lot easier, but coming from the passenger side, separating the CV axle from the intermediate shaft has proven a challenge for numerous people. So I'm just going to make a little more direct video here that just shows how to put the right crowbar in the correct place. Alright, so here we're going to show where this pry bar is supposed to properly seat when you're trying to remove this. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your pry bar up against, there's the belt there, you can feel it. But you're going to put your pry bar right back there. See, there's the end of the intermediate shaft. You're going to slide it behind the CV axle. See how you can even see it wiggle right there as I put a little force? It doesn't take much force to off this frame, part of the frame right here. But you're just going to put it in, and notice how I have the pry bar over there, and I have it at what would be 10 o'clock. To the CV axle. Here's what it looks like when it's straight up and down. The phone was kind of in there, a little cockeyed. So I'm going to have the pry bar pushed right up against this part of the that frame piece, and then I'm going to hook it around the back of that CV axle in between this intermediate shaft and this back of the CV axle. A little bit of force, this thing will slide right out. And so that C-clip doesn't take much to pull it out. I heard some guys on MacT's Ford Edge Facebook group actually recommend a slide hammer. That would work beautifully as well. If you have any further questions, do not hesitate to leave a comment down below. I'm pretty good at getting back to people on those. Also, if you'd like and subscribe, it helps my channel out quite a bit. And currently I'm demonetized, so I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So if you subscribe, that'll get me one step closer to that. And hey, if you don't think I'm providing a satisfactory answer, I can't recommend MacT Ford Edge Facebook group enough. So go check that out. Link in the description.